This Trail Rider 570 coming at you with something I just figured out on my own. If you have a Jjrc, I'll get back with you in a few, give you a fairly cheap fix for it if you don't want to change out the springs. Get back with me and we'll see how it works out. Okay guys, here's my Jjrc willys. It's actually, they call it a military, and first thing you notice, I cut the side curtains off it. But if you notice how it sits now, look at here, watch this. Look there, and look at there. But what's really cool is, watch this. All the wheels are on the ground too. What I did is I took shocks off a FMS FCX, I think it is 18. It's the Chevy Blazer, the Pro version, because I took the shocks off this one because I put new shocks on it. So it's 18th anniversary. So what you do is find shocks that'll fit it. And if you look in there, it's kind of hard to see, but way in there, I have oil-filled shocks on it now. But then to fix the springs, original springs, you can see them, original plastic springs. They say, well, they're mediocre. See how they work? I ordered a spring set up for a WPL truck. You can get any one. They'll all work. And I put additional leaf springs underneath it. They fit right on there. They line up with the bolt holes. I did the longer ones in front. For some reason, there's a lot of weight in the front with the battery. So I did the longer ones, and I just put short ones under the back end of it. And, well, this also has metal drive shafts in it now. But what it does, because I run a bigger battery. Before I'd put the battery in there and it would settle down. Now it won't. But also it still flexes and articulates. See there? It's pretty scale in its function. And I put a little heavier springs in the front. I did the back only because of the battery. But yeah, put a little box underneath here, and you can see right there. It's just barely touching, but off the ground, but it does flex. So it's pretty scale now. And the kit was, I don't know, $12 from Amazon for the spring set. And I used these and cut them off accordingly. So, yeah. Just thought I'd put this quick tip out there for you guys if you have one of these. And also it made it sit better. It sits higher. And also because of the oil shocks are threaded bodies, I can adjust the springs even more by backing the shocks off, which I'm doing right now. They spin fairly easy. Excuse my length. They're hard for you guys to see anyway, but yep, there it is. For less than, I'm gonna say, well, it depends where you go. Less than $15. Boom, boom, boom. Look at this suspension on it now. I'm happy with it. I was going to put new leaf springs on it. You know what? I ordered these by mistake, and they weren't long enough, but I got looking at them, studying it. I said, what if I add a leaf to here, to these springs? And that's what I did. So, yep, there it is. Less than, I'm going to say $15 for the set. It's right here. You guys want to key into it right there. Right there's the number. Right there. If you want to key into that number and go look it up at Amazon, yeah. This is the spring set you get. They give you extra pieces and parts, but you know, yeah, it worked. You got some different hangers here and stuff like that. So, but I just basically, you can see where I cut the springs out there. I kept the pieces. You don't know, so they're in there. I ended up using all the springs. You can see the pieces in there. So, yep, right there it is too. Right there it is. So if you want to stop the video, you can see right there. That's the part number, and there's a little number ahead of there up on top, and it's code. So yeah, this is the spring kit I got, and I just took a pair of tin snips and cut them down. So that's all I had for you today, guys. Thanks for coming in, watching video. If you're new to my channel, please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, future update, and I will get this edited and get it uploaded, and you guys can check it out. So thanks a lot, and as always, for me too, this Trail Rider 570 saying goodbye, God bless, and I'll see you next time.